Welcome to the Grass Nation. How deep this shit is. So where was I? I was working on rates, so I decided, no, screw it, I'm gonna go back to my old rates. Got it all settled. I'm actually getting back more into an acro style. I struggle with the smooth flying. My brain can't focus that long on holding a stick for that long. I want to flick and flack. I suppose this is all dirty now. Let me get you all cleaned up. Just gotta make sure we don't get hit by flying quads. What am I doing today? Yes, I'm flying like utter snot. It's because I'm busy testing rates. I switched my rates down because I wanted to become a... Let's go fetch that. Give us a beep. Oh my goodness. Let's see, where's this quad? It can't both be beeping. Honey, honey.